and talk about it. Hey, everybody. We are back at NG Atlanta. I'm talking to Paulina and Jedi, and we are talking about machine learning and Angular testing.
Yep.
Oh, man. I'm going to be so much smarter after this.
I hope.
Yeah, definitely looking forward to it. Do you just really quickly want to give like an elevator pitch on your talk and let people know how the two come together? Because I'm kind of envisioning some really fantastic stuff, and I have no idea really how it works.
Yeah, real quick, it's a product we built. We build apps for a living, and a lot of times, clients never want to pay for testing or end testing. So we built a tool that automates that process, and it does it for us. And yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
That's it.
Yep. And for the machine learning aspect, we actually collect that data and provide suggested routes for users using machine learning. So.
Yeah.
Wow. So what company do you work for?
WebJunta.
WebJunta.
Yeah, WebJunta.
And it's a development shop?
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, we're based out of Philly. Yeah,
Okay.
Philly Eagles, right? We're gonna win on Sunday. Yeah,
I sure hope so.
I sure hope so too.
Yeah. My brother's a huge Eagles fan.
Yeah.
Personally, I just don't like the Patriots. So.
That's like most of the country, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're flying back on Sunday, an hour before the game, so we have just enough time to get to
Nice.
the parties and
Yeah.
Philly celebrates well.
Yeah.
Oh, good deal.
And they also celebrate badly too. If they lose. So we'll have to see. I hope they win though.
Yeah. I lived in Italy for 2 years, and I have stories about trying to get home after soccer games.
Oh,
but
awesome.
we won't go into that. But yeah, it got a little crazy. We'll just say that. So I get it. Yeah.
I was there when they won the World Cup in 2016. 2006.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I completely get it.
That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, man. I could talk about World Cup forever. I'm not going to do that.
This is
I'm not going
a
to do that.
sports talk.
Yeah, definitely. And I know people have a lot of reasons for hating the Patriots. I just, my whole life. So anyway, but yeah, so how do you do testing without testing?
Sure. So do you want to spend it?
Yeah, so we actually made 2 NPM package plugins that one for Angular and one for Ionic that the user, when they sign up for Dozen, can install. They have their own API key. We can do the setup steps, and pretty much that package does everything. It wraps your application, and we're as you're just even like clicking and like just inputting like basic information into your application, like just using it, we're watching that and capturing that data and creating tests from it. So you're using your app, and we're writing the tests for you.
It's watching you.
Yes, it is watching you.
I said in the presentation, it's magic. And
It
it's
is
really true.
magic.
I hope you had a GIF on that. Anyway, yeah, that's awesome. And then it just says, okay, this is a pattern for usage, and
Yeah.
test it that way.
It looks at what you've tested before, like what pages you've gone to and what order, and then it exactly replicates that. But then it also suggests new routes that you may have missed as a developer, right? Which is pretty cool. That's like really where the beauty is.
Or even as a tester too. Like we made Dozen in mind for like everybody to use, not just a developer, but like a QA engineer can go there and it's organized. They can see all the features, all the flows, what's passing, what's failing, what devices you're testing on. Like we want this to be used by everybody, not just developers.
That's awesome.
We've already had people come up afterwards and said, hey, we want to add this for like React, for Vue, different frameworks.
And we're so excited because we
really
are
cool.
looking for open source contributions. Like we want to get involved with the community and like interact with them and help them.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear you. And, I'm a developer. I love writing code, but writing tests is really not my favorite thing.
Yeah.
If I may put that out there.
Yeah.
You should have seen our Twitter poll. We actually, Jedi put a Twitter poll out there, and it was, what do you write for testing? Unit test, end-to-end test, or I don't have the time to write tests. And 33% of 600 people answered, I don't have the time to write tests.
Yep.
Oh, I take issue with that because I don't have the time to not have tests on my code because it makes it so much easier to just not deal with issues or to make sure they don't come back. But, I mean, at the same time, I totally get it. And, there are certain levels of diminishing returns. Unit tests are pretty easy to write.
Yeah.
They run pretty fast. And so, great, but that's not the level that my users operate at.
Yeah.
But those take a lot longer to write and run.
They're complex.
And so, having
and
something.
They change all the time too. When
Yep.
if a new feature comes out, we have to update all your end-to-end tests now. You know what I mean? It's a pain.
Yep.
And to be clear, we still advocate for unit testing the way unit testing is currently done.
Yeah.
Right.
Because I think it's a great practice. We do it all the time. It's end-to-end testing that's really the issue. No one ever wants to do it. And it gets really deprecated so fast as new features come out and new flows come out. It's always the first thing to go when you're hitting a deadline. So we're solving that problem. So we say unit test and then let us help you with the end-to-end test.
I love that. I absolutely love it. That's the way I want to write my end-to-end test.
Yeah.
Click,
Yeah.
click,
Yeah.
click. It worked. Yay! And the next time it goes, oh, he went click, 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 and I don't even have to be there, right?
Yeah, and you can see what that person did even. You can see everything.
Uh-huh. So is Dozen a service that people can sign up for?
Yep.
Or
So it's currently in beta, and you can go to webjunto.com/dozen, and you can ask for a beta invite. And if you want to tweet at us or email us or reach out with comments, questions,
Feature suggestions.
we're completely open. We're excited.
It's something we built for ourselves to make our products better, right? And then,
Right.
So now we're just offering it as a free service for everyone to just kind of use because it's pretty simple in terms of processing power and stuff like that.
Yep.
Just track what you're doing and then boom, generate a test. So
did you say free?
Yep, it's free.
It's free. Yeah.
I love you guys.
Free's good, right?
Appreciate
Yeah.
it.
That's terrific.
Yeah.
So do you want to give just a 2-minute pitch on WebJunto and what you do there?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Sure. So WebJunto, we're a Philly-based company. We build mobile apps, web apps, and we focus on user experience and design. Actually, half our team is UI, UX, and the other half is dev. We're a pretty diverse bunch. We have a really cool team. I don't know. It's all about the team.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're majority women.
We are majority women.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Few dev shops you'll meet that are majority women. I think it's 75% or 80% right now. So.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Very cool. Well, if people want to follow up on this or, get a hold of either of you or go check it out, where do they go?
So if you want to check out the tool, webjunto.com/dozen.
That's DOZN, right?
DOZN,
Yes.
yeah, you got it. Yeah, like a dozen eggs, just without the E. And and then I guess if you want to reach out to us, my Twitter is at Jedi Hacks.
Mine's Paul Tweets, and you can shoot us an email either at Paulina at WebJunto or Jedi at WebJunto. So, yeah.
That's it.
Good deal. Well, thanks for making all of our lives easier. I'm gonna sign up as soon as you leave. So,
Cool. Look forward to it.
Thank you.
all right. Yeah, I do have one other item of business I do need to take care of. Progress sponsored my trip out. So I just want to thank them for that. If you're looking for some really nice web elements to put on your website, they have charts, graphs. Those are the ones that I get excited about, and all the data management stuff. But they have all kinds of stuff. So go check it out at kendoui.com. Just terrific stuff. And if you're watching this because you're curious about Angular, but you use Vue or React, they have components for you too. So. So thanks to them. Thanks for coming. This was really cool.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Maybe we'll have to check out the last library you just talked about there. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds cool too.
Love new
All right.
technologies.
I know,
Love
right?
technologies
Always,
in
right?
general.
Yep.
Great.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.